Hi everyone, and welcome to the second video blog of the Leadwerks Community Project. In this little video I want to show you some renders of the assets that we have so far, and I want to show you some actual in-game footage that we have. Okay, so let's just get started. But before I show you the renders, I first off want to say that I'm really happy that we got back on track because my website got actually hacked, so that means we have lost the first forum. Luckily, we have a new forum set up, and it's working quite well. It's a new forum, and it's working pretty great. I actually like the new layout of this one actually, so that's great. So here's a really nice render of the arms that we're going to use inside the game. As you can see, the veins are really well laid out. You can see some really good detail into these arms, and you will only see a part of these arms when they're being used in combination with animations for weapons, swinging a bat or firing a weapon, or perhaps interacting with the door. And I'm really happy with this render. Here's a nice render, a little bit stretched out because of the full-scale resolution that I'm using in my screen. But nonetheless, the texture of this wall is really good, a nice rusty texture. And there's a nice toilet block for the public toilet in the metro level. Here's a nice bench without textures. As you can see, there's a lot of detail in this bench. And of course it looks really good with a texture on it as well. And when we look at the wireframe, he has done a really good job, the maker of this bench. No extra use of polygons that were not necessary. It's really nice. Here's a nice I really like this one. It reminded me of Penumbra, where you have to push this button and this guy starts speaking to you, and it gets really scary from then on out. And I really like this one in particular. A nice emergency box. Let's just call it a box. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. It's the bat of Leadwerks in combination with the hands, with a really nice detailed hands. And I'm going to show you some actual in-game footage later on, but first off let's finish the images. Well, this is just beautiful. Here you see all these gloves in high detail. It's amazing. Here's the Leadwerks Basher bat in full glory, full of its entire detail, just showing off. Here we have a toilet which has been used, I guess, by someone with a really bad case of diarrhea. But let's just continue. Here's the same toilet, only a little bit cleaner. Of course, there are some blood stains on there, but hey, what do you want? I mean, we're in a post-apocalyptic world. I mean, you cannot get any beautiful toilets. And then there's this toilet. Apparently, someone died. Yep, that's pretty obvious here. A nice top overview of the metro station level. So it will be the first level that you're going to play. A really nice overview here. And this image right after it shows how you're going to work your way across this map. And here's the same level in a 3D view, and this time from a different angle. This is created by Ken, Scarlet Thread Studios. He's done a really good job. The ticket machines, you don't have to worry about having any cash with you because, well, the metro station is no longer in use, so the ticket system won't work. But still, it's really nice, a really nice asset. Okay, now for the in-game footage. This is the title screen, and then we're going to the main menu, which is still a work in progress. And then when we click start, it's gonna load the game. We should add a loading screen there. That's still a work in progress. And then we start off in a testing area, and as you can see, we can walk around these nice guardrails here, and we can jump, we can crouch. That's all there. That's already working. Then we start running, and as you can see, there's this nice rotating bat here, the Leadwerks Basher. And when we run into it, we pick it up, and it gets automatically equipped. And the nice thing about the Leadwerks Basher is the animation. I really love that. And let's just take a look at this beautiful animation. We click, we sway, we swing our bat around, and what happens next is that the camera actually follows the hitting point of the bat and then automatically looks back at the previous looking direction. I love that. Beautiful. Well, that's about it for this video blog. I hope to see you again with the next video blog, and don't worry, heads will start rolling soon. And of course, I mean zombie and monster heads, not the project member heads. That would be awful. Okay, goodbye.